In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a Docusign signature. Verifying a signature is an important step in ensuring the authenticity of your documents, and with digital transactions becoming increasingly prevalent, knowing how to confirm a digital signature can be invaluable. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your Docusign account. If you're unfamiliar with Docusign, it's essentially a platform for managing electronic agreements. Having an account set up is crucial, as this is where all of your documents and related activity are kept securely. Access your account through a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once you're logged in, you're ready to move to the next step. Now, navigate to the Agreements section. This is where you'll find all your documents. Think of this section as a digital filing cabinet where your completed and in-progress agreements are stored. Finding this section should be straightforward. Typically, it's accessible from the main dashboard or via a menu on the left-hand side. Next, you'll want to locate the specific document you need to verify. Scroll through your list of agreements, or, if you're dealing with many documents, use the search feature for more efficient access. Once you've found your document, click on its name to open the Document Details page. It's essential to ensure you're selecting the correct document, particularly if you manage multiple similar agreements. Double-check the document's title and any associated metadata to confirm you're on the right track. After opening your document, look for the download options. Click on the document name, which should bring you to the details and options available for that particular document. Among these options will be the Download button. Here, you're not just downloading the document. You want to specifically choose the certificate of completion as the file type to download. This certificate is what contains all the essential information regarding the signing process, including timestamps and the signer's details. With the certificate of completion loaded, click on the Download button. You'll be prompted to save this PDF document to your device. This certificate serves as a digital audit trail, providing irrefutable proof of the document's signing, including details such as when it was signed and by whom. And that's all there is to it. You now have a comprehensive record of the document and its signature details, ensuring the authenticity and integrity of your agreement. This verification process aids in protecting both parties involved in a digital transaction, providing peace of mind that the agreement is legitimate and binding. Make sure to keep this certificate of completion stored safely, as it may serve as important evidence for future reconciliation or verification needs. Remember, confidence in digital transactions begins with understanding how to verify them properly, and now you have the knowledge to do just that with Docusign. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your digital transactions